Hi La Mesa, I'm Kristen Flores, the Development Services Technician for the City of La Mesa, and I'm excited to announce that you can now apply for instant rooftop solar permits through our city website. If you're ready to apply, visit our website, cityoflamesa.us/solar permits. From there, enter the property address in the address bar, powered by our partner Symbium. When you're ready to apply for your permit, click on the rooftop solar or battery storage installation button. Once you're there, answer the questions about your proposed energy storage system or rooftop photovoltaic system. If your project is code compliant, you can download your approval documents directly from the Symbium website. If your project doesn't meet code requirements, the system will tell you why. Once you have your Symbium approval documents, visit the City of La Mesa's permitting portal, MateStar. Click Apply for Permit, Building Permit. Select the solar PV type and select the solar PV instant subtype. Enter your project address. Enter any additional contacts. Once you get to this screen, enter your PV system and/or energy storage system information. Once you get to the document screen, upload your Symbium approval document and your Symbium inspection checklist. Once you get to the summary screen, verify that all your information is correct. Scroll down to the bottom to complete the permit declarations. Once the declarations are complete, hit Submit. Applying for a residential solar permit is now easier than ever. But if you have any questions, please contact the building mainline at 619-667-1176.